If you're wondering why I look so extra today, you'll see why. I will be suggesting some products with swatches that you may or may not have heard about, but these are good quality products that you don't have to give up an arm and a leg to buy them. So let's get on with the video. Before I proceed with this video, I want you guys to know that every product that I'm going to be mentioning in this video are all under 1500 rupees. What do I start with? Let's start with eyes. And these are all so pigmented and they blend really well. So the first eyeshadow palettes that I want to show you guys are from Wet n Wild. They come in these trios and these quads as well. These are the smaller ones that you get in the range and they're all $2.99 each. Wet n Wild also has these bigger ones with a couple of more shades, and these are all $4.99 each and they also come in a lot of shades. These shadows are extremely buttery and they blend really well, and you can apply the shimmer shades with your finger for maximum opacity. Next up we have this beauty here. This is a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is from the I Heart Makeup range and it's called the I Heart Revolution Nudes palette. Just like the name suggests, it's a neutral/nude palette with a bunch of shades. They all blend really well and has great color payoff. This palette has 7 shimmers and 11 mattes, and you can create a bunch of looks with it, and it is great for beginners as well. So this palette retails for $15.50, which is $50 more than I promised, but it is always on sale and it smells like chocolate. So now let's talk about my favorite eyeshadow sticks and my favorite liquid eyeshadow. So these are my favorite eyeshadow sticks and these are the ones I reach for the most. This one's from K Beauty, it's Katrina Kaif's brand, and this one's from Miniso. Guys, I know that sounds weird, but if you see this at Miniso, please grab them. They're 190 rupees and they're very pigmented and really smooth. The K Beauty one on the other hand is $5.99. This is a liquid eyeshadow which is basically a dupe of the Stila Magnificent Metals, and it's from a brand called Swiss Beauty. It's an Indian brand and they sell really good quality affordable makeup, and this retails for $199. So if you're not so good at eyeshadow looks and you don't want to go through that whole hassle, just throw on a matte eyeshadow in your crease, slap one of these on your lid, and boom, you're out the door. So the last product under the eye category are these. These are kohl eyeliners from the brand Forever 52, because you could be a glam goddess no matter what your age or gender is. These glide on like butter and they don't smudge at all, and you get them in so many different colors. Just so you guys get a reference, I want to show you in real time how smooth these are. So I'm barely gonna apply any pressure. I'm not applying pressure, guys. I swear you need to take my word for it. These are damn smooth, and you will need an oil makeup remover to remove them because they won't budge, and they retail for $4.49 rupees. Just for the record, guys, my eye look today were done using these palettes, and that foiled goodness that you see on my lid was done with this one. Now let's move on to the face. Having a glowy, dewy look, also known as the glass skin, is pretty on trend right now, and if you want to achieve that look, the best way is to use cream products. Speaking of cream products, I want to talk about the Kryolan Cream Blush Palettes. This is what the palette looks like. It is in a set of 5, but you also get a set of 3, and you also get one set come in a single pot. Kryolan is a professional makeup brand, hence these products are really pigmented. A little goes a long way, and because they dry down but still remain hydrating, it is very good for both dry and oily skin. You can get Kryolan products on their website, on Amazon, and even at a store in Pali Hill, Bandra in Mumbai. The 5-set blushes like this one retails for $1,500. The 3-set one retails for $1,200 and the single ones retail for $350. You cannot talk about dewy skin without mentioning liquid highlighters. This one's from Wet n Wild, this one's from Nykaa. They're both really great and from the drugstore, so they're good quality liquid highlighters at a very reasonable price. The Nykaa one's slightly thicker than the Wet n Wild one. Both of these liquid highlighters are available in different shades. You can mix them in with your foundation, you can apply them on top of your cheekbones, and you can apply them all over your body for a sun-kissed glow. The Wet n Wild one retails for 675 rupees and the Nykaa one retails for 699 rupees. I'm wearing the Kryolan blush on my cheeks and I've mixed the highlighter with my foundation. Can you guys tell? This is the last category. Let's talk about lipsticks and then you can go. These cute little things are the Wet n Wild Bullet lipsticks. They come in this really flimsy packaging and they are called the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick. These lipsticks glide on really smoothly and they have a good color payoff. They last a long time, hence Mega Last, and they wear off really evenly without leaving patches. The only con about this product, like I said before, is that the packaging is cheap and the lipstick kind of smears on the cap, but I'm not complaining. It's only $295 and you get so much of product. So yeah, and plus the great color payoff and all of that. So this is really good if you want a good lipstick but you don't want to break the bank. The last product I want to show you are these. These are the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipsticks and these are really good. They are opaque in one swipe, they last a long time and they're literally one of my favorite liquid lipsticks in the drugstore. These liquid lipsticks come in different shades and even different formulas like metallic mattes, regular matte lipsticks, cream liquid lipsticks, and they're usually opaque in one layer but you can do 2 coats if you want. These lipsticks retail for $499. I'm wearing this shade today. This is called Rebel Rose. It's a really pretty pink nude and I also want to suggest this shade. This is my other favorite. It's called Give Me Mocha and this basically suits every Indian skin tone. So I hope this video was informative for you. I hope the swatches helped. I hope the demonstration on my face helped. And I hope you guys find something that you love because you don't have to break the bank to buy good makeup products. If you have watched this far, comment glass skin. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!